Welcome back guys to a new video. So in last video I have told you about the operators in Python. Yes, I have told you about what are operators and how can we use them. So in this video I'm going to tell you a very important topic, that is if else. Yes, so let's start the video. So now what I'm going to tell you that what is the use of if else and how can we use it very easily. The most easy way I'm going to tell you, like what is if else. First question, if else like a condition, like if this thing is happened then this thing won't be happen. Like if I give you a real world example, if you gonna to market and your mother had told you, if watermelon is available in fruits, then take it, else bring mango. Your mother had told you this. So you will first check for watermelons. If you don't get, you will take the mangoes. This is only the if else statement. Like if I write over here, I have a variable like number variable I do have, and in this number variable I write 25. Now I have number 2 variable. In this variable I will write 66. Okay, got it? And now num b variable here will be like no, I don't want this thing, like 66. And numb variable 2, I mean 2, yes, equals to this thing. Now what I'm going to do, if num number plus m2. Now what I have done here, I said if number, if the sum of these variable is equals to these variable, then say equal, else if not, say not equal. Simple as that. Now I'm going to run this. Equal, because the sum of these two variables is equal. Like if I just do this, now we should get not equal, because the sum of these two variables isn't equal. Now number and numb2. So um, number numb2, it's good. Now control S, it should give true, I mean equal. Yes, it have given equal. This is only the use of if else statement, and you can use it more likely. Like there is a thing in string. So we are not going to we are not learning string here. For something I am telling you, like if I user user in put enter your name. Okay, not, I don't want this thing. Now I am going to do what, if the like this thing, I don't want that. It depends on user. It depends on user whether user will writing his or her name as in like this only, like there is J O H N, John, J, oh, sorry, J O H N. Like if I type this same hello John, okay, if I want, it will hello guest. Now, uh, it's simple as that. Like if I just run this and uh, give here, uh, I mean run this and give here John. Same name, same spelling. See, hello guest. Why there is a problem? Because this thing is only um, taking John with capital J. So if I do this, do the J small. Now, no, you will be saying, we will do what? Or then we will user input equals to capital J. No need to do that. There is a more simple way than this. Dot lower, dot lower. See. Now it will do what? Take the user input from the user, then convert it into small letters. All the letters small, and then it says is it equals to John. Now if I run this, enter your name, see, John, all the words are capital and see this small. Now you will say, all the words are small and all the words are capital, so this is the problem. No, if I just John, all the words are like different. Now hello John, this is the print. You can use the print statement as you want, and you can see here's you can also write the lower over here too. Okay, so it is on you how you want to write the code, how you want to manage the code. It's all upon you. Okay, so here this is only the print statement. Yes, it's very easy. I think that you haven't thought the print statement will be easy. See, it's easy a lot. Yeah, now you only just need to do practice, somewhat practice of 10 to 20 minutes, then you are full ready. And I am going to take you to the advanced Python by taking these small steps. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.